My name is Sharon Wallace. I'm the property manager for 162 units, and I have lived here for 15 years. I've had 32 years in the real estate industry. I owned a RE/MAX franchise. I mostly specialized in condominiums and worked for many developers and have traveled extensively as a real estate consultant. 17 years ago, I came across this development and met with the owners that were doing a conversion from rental to condominiums. I was hired as the salesperson to sell this entire project. I loved it so much that I decided to purchase and to retire here. Back in 2002, when the conversion took place, all new roofs were put on the buildings. The roofs have shown some wear and tear, and of course weren't of the highest quality when they did the conversion. So right now we're wanting to get as much out of them as we possibly can. When I took over the management position a couple of years ago, I immediately started interviewing roofers to find out what that price might be to replace the roofs, because I know that was going to be coming up. It was very expensive. I had a major meeting for our entire group to present what it would cost for the new roofs, and the board of directors were shocked at how much it was going to cost. This is not actually a condominium. This is an individual fee simple project, so everybody pays their own. It's a homeowners association. When I came across RE/MAX, and I did a lot of research in it, I belong to HOA groups, and that's how I saw it. It came through an HOA management group that I belong to, and I read everything about Battelle, about the collaboration with Ohio State, and I was so very impressed that I thought this is the answer to what we need for this project. So after looking at all the figures, RE/MAX was going to be 18% of the total cost to replace a roof. So if we can get another 5 years out of these roofs, that makes so much more sense for us as a community. I sent out all of the Battelle, everything there was about RE/MAX to all the homeowners, and they're 100% on board to do this for the next 5 years. This recent summer, we had a lot of the paintings of the buildings, and now with the roof coming back alive using RE/MAX, it just brings life back into the development. It almost looks like our buildings are new again. I would recommend RE/MAX to investors, to anybody who has multifamily housing, any single family housing, because it is something that can be done for a lot less cost, a lot less to the environment, and it's completely safe. I am thrilled with the fact that I found this company and that I proceeded to go after and talk to them and to bring them into our community.